Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Cash App declining our protection while we send our money to someone else. So basically this occurs when Cash App believes that the person you are sending the money to is a scammer and you might lose up your money. That's why Cash App doesn't allow you to send your money, and if it is a problem on Cash App side, suppose you are sending it to your friend and still it is being declined, then the problem might be that you or your friend might be new to Cash App and you don't have the history of transactions. So this way you still need to build the credibility, and that's why it is being declined. So all you have to do is just contact the Cash App and through support, or you can just search up for Google, and after that just tell them that you are trying to send money to your friend and it should be allowed, and after that they will simply allow your transaction. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.